Hey, happy holidays! Heidi here from Chilling with H. And guess what? We're going to do another oats recipe, this time with a twist and a healthy twist. So, if you want to see how I do that, let's get started. Well, after another workout, I'm making some delicious oats. And as I said before, I'm not going to make it too boring because I don't want to get fed up of it. So, let's get all healthy this holiday season, right? In my blender, I'm adding two types of flax seeds. That's the dark and the light brown seeds, and blending it until it becomes a fine powder or what we call flax meal. So set that aside. And here now, I have some water in my saucepan, the finely blended flax meal, the instant oats and powdered milk, and I'm sweetening it up with local pure honey, which I got from East Trinidad, and one small apple diced. Now you can use sugar, right? I'm just using the honey because I'm trying to be healthy. But if it is that you find that it's not sweet enough, you can add your sugar to your taste, to your liking. That's optional. So let's head over to the stove. When the water comes up to a simmer or a boil, add in the powdered milk and instant oats. And you know, guys, the instant oats has such a deliciously sweet aroma as compared to the rolled oats. It's amazing. So the oats is going to cook really fast because obviously it's instant, just about a minute or so. Lower the heat so that it doesn't boil over. Add in the cinnamon powder. Keep stirring to incorporate everything. My bowl is ready with the apple, so I'm just pouring it in. I know it looks a little soupy, but by the time it cools down, it's going to thicken up. If you want it a little thicker, reduce the amount of water or liquid before you begin cooking. Drizzle with the honey and sprinkle the flax meal and mix it up. And there's the flax cinnamon apple oats. I know it's a pretty long name, but it was a really delicious, filling breakfast. I hope that you enjoyed it. Flax has tremendous health benefits, so be sure to incorporate it in your meals. Check out my flax meal sada roti. I'll link that video at the end of this one. And hey, try my recipes, drop me a comment down below, subscribe, like, and share, and enjoy your holidays. Have a happy, healthy one, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.